great sense of loss. Like many people, my hope was tied up with the country in terms of what I wanted to accomplish, the things I wanted to do for myself and for my people. All that kind of lost, and I feel like when I talk to other people of the same generation, same kind of backgrounds, they share the same sentiment.
All the refugees coming to US, they need proper mental support, mental care support. It not only because they have been in war for the past 40 years and now coming to these countries, some of them that have no idea about the hardship of even living in this country and in the West. They still have to work, they still have to provide for their families. On top of all this, they have undergone tremendous amount of emotional pain and psychological pain and mental pain. So their mental health should be part of that basic necessities that we discuss here that people should have.
These communities, it's very important that they connect together. So for example, here in Australia, they've got a developed system, and what they do, they link them with their own communities, that they share a culture so they can make friends and create connections and networks. The other thing that happens is that the services tailored it to refugees, so they can have services that are responsive to their culture. So that's why it's very important for them to connect, in this case, with the Afghani community, because they share a past and they also share the culture, the religion, and also the religion practices.